If we could snap our fingers and make something go viral, wouldn't that be handy? Well, if you're looking to get the word out quickly and to a lot of people, incentivizing retweets can be an effective way to make that happen. The best part? It's almost as easy as snapping your fingers. Retweet contests are perfect for a company event, sale, or in our case, to raise some money for a local charity, like we did with this retweet campaign. We used Giving Tuesday as a jumping off point and donated $5 to a local charity for each retweet our post got. To build your retweet contest, you'll start by making a plan. Put some thought into the nuts and bolts of your campaign. For example, what will your prize be? What are the rules, terms and conditions? And how will you choose your winner? You can include requirements that will help you meet marketing goals. For example, require that the retweet include a specific hashtag for more brand awareness. Once you've worked out the details, it's time to build your tweet. When your tweet is posted, you can help it gain traction by asking sponsors, loyal customers, or employees to retweet it. When it's time to pick your winner, you can use contest software like ShortStack to import the tweets. ShortStack offers a random entry picker that makes winner selection simple and fair. Lastly, notify your winner. Take the opportunity to make some follow-up posts announcing your winner and build hype for your next contest. If you have any questions or if you'd like to get started, you can visit us on the web at shortstack.com or send us an email at theteam@shortstacklab.com.